Hi, it's Annabelle. Welcome to another Wee Wednesday. I am packing my toiletries today for traveling, and I have Prairie behind me on her pram. She loves the spot. Do you like this spot? Can you high five? Oh, good girl. High five. High five. On my table right now are scattered a lot of products that I'm going to pack and talk about in categories. This Wee Wednesday is sponsored by Folane. I'm going to talk about this brand and also the products I have here in just a second. To start off the packing, I use two main bags. Drunk Elephant gifted this to me in the beginning of the summer, so I've been using it for the last few months. It's just a basic toiletries bag, but I don't have one like this, so I love using it. It's very structured, the material is nice and durable. The small pouch is from Folane, and it's part of their Clean Essentials kit with 4 trial size products. I have the full sizes here that I've been using for the last few weeks because I've been keeping the kit to travel with because they're small and you can carry them on. And if you haven't heard of the brand before, Folane is a clean beauty skincare retailer. They are very health-centric and prioritize safety because if you think about it, it's kind of like fueling your body, exercising to really take care of yourself. What you put on your skin and have on it for several hours a day is just as important to your health and safety. So I was interested to find out that every product that they have, that they curated, goes through a 5-step approval process. Everything is 100% toxin-free. I have yet to explore everything in their line, but for now I have these products to talk about. First off is the OC Lotion Cleanser, and it's very gentle on your face. It's made for all skin types, and opposed to things I've experienced before, it's one that the consistency is really interesting because it is made of organic seaweed gel, but it does set up still. It doesn't leave my skin feeling completely stripped of oils and just really dry and clean. It takes off the surface impurities and it's mineral rich, but it doesn't make me feel like I just applied a ton of strong chemicals to my face. But it does kind of sting your eyes if you accidentally get it in there. I speak from experience. If you like the Fresh Soy Cleanser, you would like this. It sets up a little more than that, and it smells so good. That's one of my favorite things about it because it reminds me of the Fresh lip balm and lipstick scents. It's very sugary, fruity. I'm not really sure the exact scent, but it smells so good. And to follow that is the Indie Lee CoQ10 toner. So you spray this lotion on either directly or on a cotton pad. It's meant to rebalance and prime your face before moisturizer. The spray is very concentrated and direct, so it's not super nice to just spray on your face. It doesn't give it a nice mist, so I spray it directly onto my hand. I can't say much for the effect of the product because toners, for me at least, is just something that I have and I use in my routine, but it doesn't show crazy differences. I think it's just something that over time does something for the skin, so I have it in my routine before the moisturizer. To follow that is the Ursa Major Golden Hour Recovery Cream. I've just been using a little one because I don't have the full size of this, but a little bit goes such a long way. It is a very fast absorbing and almost kind of thin watery consistency, and it's cooling as well. The scent is lovely. It's infused with blackcurrant, calendula, sea buckthorn, and perfect timing because I just ran out of my favorite face cream that I used since March from Drunk Elephant. It's just all gone now. I'm gonna trial this for the next 2 weeks. I don't suppose that it will run out, but if it does, I'll just borrow my mom's during the remainder of the trip. And the last thing in here is the Folane hand and body soap. It's their signature multi-purpose soap, so it's convenient to bring on my trip in case public restrooms sometimes don't have hand soap. I can probably use this on laundry, and the large size I keep in the kitchen. This one is lavender scented. This one I swear is lemon candy, and I found there's a lemon on the back of it, so it has to be. I'm right. For all of those 4, it's a part of the kit that's normally $45, and if you're interested in any of these, everything is linked as always. And for the first 150 people to purchase through this link for the kit, it's gonna only be $18, so 60% off with free shipping. This is only available for US at the moment though. So now we're actually gonna get to packing. I'm gonna move these things out because, as I said before, this bag will be for my night routine skincare, and then this is what I carry in my purse throughout the day. So I would need the soap. In here I'd also have sunscreen. Probably also more important than makeup is skin protection, and I would have to reapply every few hours because I'll be walking outside a lot. This is the Invisible Shield. I really like how lightweight this feels. Even though it is a chemical sunscreen and it's not zinc based, this just works really well for me and doesn't make me break out. And it's the perfect size to just bring around. And then I've been very light with my cosmetics lately, so I just have my lipstick, which is also a double up for cheek. This one is also a good one. So these two. This one is a lot more red. This one's a lot more natural looking. So for now, I'll just have this in here. And then a brow pencil just in case. Disaster. Really, I feel like that's all I really need, but maybe just my highlighter. And then everything else here, all these makeup products, I would just have on throughout the day. Really typical things. I have my makeup routine linked if you want to see these specifically, but you know, mascara, eyebrow, a variety of lip or blush colors. These will just go in the large pouch in case I want it. This one. And then lastly, such an essential, you know, insect repellent. You know I'm afraid of bugs, first of all, but I speak from experience and I have real fear because the last time I went to Europe, I got bitten so badly. I think I had 8 or 9 bites all over my legs, and they each swelled to around 3 inches wide. Some of them bled, one of them had pus, and it was just so bad that it woke me up in the middle of the night. It was just really, really, really so much regret. But you know, you can learn from all experiences, and I will never be unprepared again. Almost forgot, have to have lip balm. My lips dry out quite a lot, and also they're basically the sunscreen of your lips, because the skin on your lips is thinnest, so you have to make sure that you protect that. For the main toiletries here, let's just continue the bug talk really fast. This I've been using since last year, and I just got a new tub of it, and it's the organic route, so I would prefer to wear this first in the morning, but it doesn't last as long, only maybe 4 hours, and then you have to reapply. But it's safe for kids, it's deep free, and it just smells like yummy herbs and spices, so it is like the home remedy way to go. And I used this in Asia last summer. I only got 1 bite, and that was when I forgot to reapply it, I think. So it's just a nice creamy texture. You apply it in little dots, maybe a few inches apart on your skin or at points where you normally would get bitten, and I would find this very effective. I just got this lotion just in case because it's more long lasting, and people have said amazing things about this one, so never can be too careful. So I'm gonna bring this one as well, just to keep in this bag so I can wear it morning and night. When I sleep, I also want it on, and this one is a lot more chemical based, so this just feels a lot better on my skin. And then I have a bar of soap here. It's the same brand as No Bite Me. I've never tried this bar soap. I have tried a different bug repellent bug soap before. I'm the official bug repellent guru now, you know. So here, cutting soap is so satisfying, but I thought that it's a little bit too excessive to bring the whole piece just for a 2-week trip. So I'm gonna just have this one on me. And same thing, it's organic, safe to use on children. It smells like spices and herbs and lemongrass, so I really recommend this product. And I have my trusty old headband here. Whether or not I wear it throughout the day, I definitely need it when I shower and wash my face to keep this out of my face. So I'm gonna have that in there. And then I have just some face wipes. This probably I got from a restaurant, so just in case I need them, you never know. And then for my shampoo and conditioner, what I've been doing lately is I don't like to buy those little bottles, kind of because you can never get the last bit out of them, and I find them a little bit annoying. So I'm gonna put my conditioner into this little Tupperware because I'm only gonna need maybe 3 or 4 washes worth. I don't wash my hair very often. I have very dry skin and dry hair, so I don't have a lot of oils. Let me see, maybe a little more solid so it doesn't run everywhere. And then for my shampoo, I'm gonna reuse this tub that was my face cream, because why not, you know? I don't know if the pump will work the same way, because normally you push the top to get the product, but this is a very different consistency, and if anything, I'll just use it like a normal container. Just screw off the top. Let's see. It works! It works as well! I'm just gonna put more in now. If you're wondering what products I use for my hair, I've been using Verb for a couple of years. I ran out, and Shea Moisture is a great alternative that you can get at drugstores, and they all have no sulfates, no parabens, just no toxins, so it's great to use on your hair. especially safe for colored hair. My retainers, toothbrush in which I have a bristle cover so that it doesn't get dirty in the rest of the bag. And then I have here a different pouch of things that I might not use every day but I might need. So I thought that it would be better to just separate it rather than have it everywhere and mixed up. Tylenol, allergy medicine. This is left over from Scotland because if you know, you know. And ibuprofen in case of headaches. More facial wipes, so I guess I'll just put these here. Pasties in case what you're wearing super shows your nipples, but I don't even use pasties or bras these days most of the time. Some pens, tweezer, and then a face mask for when I want to just relax at night. And then earrings if I want that. One thing I'm missing from here is my floss. She's gonna think that it's snapped. It's not snapped. And then lastly, a comb. For the comb though, I need my hair oil because this helps so much for me to be able to braid my hair or style it. And I'm gonna find a little container though because I fear that this is a little bigger than 3 fluid ounces. Last thing is a skincare product, and it's the Anise Slay White Truffle Extract Skin Serum. I used this morning and night. This was gifted to me and I've been using this for the last month and it's really nice. It's very rich, so I apply it in maybe 2-3 drops over here in the wrinkle areas because I have yet to get wrinkles. It's gonna be another few thousand years, hopefully. So that is tissues. And I think that is it to all the toiletries I'm gonna bring with me on my trip. And it's crazy how I have just been becoming more conscious of skincare. I didn't care about it at all, I feel like 2 years ago. And I didn't take good care of my skin. I have to say, I almost didn't even wash my face at night. I would just remove my makeup and just leave the oils on my skin. Maybe just because now living on my own and being aware that one day you will grow up. So I am thinking ahead and trying to be smart. And thank you to Fulane for doing the sponsorship with me. It was great to get to know the brand. And I really believe in the mission and stand behind clean, safe products for your skin. So we're all wrapped up or packed up for today's Wednesday. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for being here and spending the time with me. It's just a gift to be able to content create and exercise my creativity, and not only that, have such friendly and loving support on the receiving end. This community means so much and it's just wonderful. So thank you for every comment and every message. As you know, I'm already on the trip at this point since I'm leaving tomorrow and this is posted later. So for those who are on Instagram with me, you can see where I am at the moment. Sending you so much love. Please take care of yourself and rest well. Love you. Bye. Almost forgot! Thank you for tuning in. Remember to take care of yourself, and I hope that you rest and eat well. If you see me in Europe, please say hello because I would love to meet you and give you a big hug. And wow, I haven't done a dancing outro in so long. No one is here to dance with me except Prairie, except she thinks I'm a loser. And you love and well wishes. Bye!